Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore forgotten PIN code on Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. In order to do this, simply go to the Sign In screen and select I forgot my PIN option beneath the PIN field. And if you don't see this option here, you can enter a random PIN code. Press OK, and then this option will appear here. Now, after you click this option, you will have two options depending on the kind of account you have set up on your PC. So if this is a global account, a Microsoft account, then you'll be able to restore your PIN code by sending the code to your email and changing your PIN code. If you have a local account, you're going to have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself. And after you answer one of these security questions, you'll be able to change the PIN code right away. However, if you forgot the answers to the security questions, the only solution would be basically performing a factory reset operation on your laptop and reinstalling Windows from USB. And if you're interested in how to reinstall Windows from USB on your particular laptop, we have a separate video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. But let's return to the Microsoft users. So in your case, you just have to click Send Code right here, then go to your email, find the single-use code message from Microsoft, open it, and there you'll find the single-use code that you have to enter right here. And once you do this and press enter and then press continue on the following page, you're gonna have to create a new PIN code for your account, enter it once, and then confirm by entering it once again. Click OK, and then the access to your account will be recovered. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.